September 10th, 2017, and broadcasting live from Las Vegas, Nevada. Understanding that humanity at large is looking for a face beyond the facade of a set of colors that perhaps came to light because those were the choices at that moment. It is understandable that people, regardless of 1905 or 2005 or 2017, are still in search of a color-coding motif that can help us identify ourselves with something, whatever, whether it's an era, a season, a sign for lease, without the color code motif, and yet all this humanity coded with a color that does not necessarily represent the capacity of what their minds stand for. Therefore, color code technology can now help humanity to embrace a universal base language decoding system as simple as traffic signals that function to let people navigate with their vehicles as they go through the roads in the streets. And now that I look at this and this art, it reminds me of the obligation that I have towards humanity as far as demonstrating that if we are in this world, it's because our minds are here to learn from those from the past, and yet be able to process that information such that we can create new knowledge in order that the next generation can be better empowered to cope with the changes of society, such as climate change, number one, social upheaval, and all those situations that derive from the lack of true identity, who we are as a society, as an individual, as a person, as a family member, as a father, as a son, as a grandson, whatever we are in the titles and the words that we attach to ourselves. Beyond those words, there is an obligation that derives from the opportunity that we have as human thinking individuals to process information on a color-coded modality that not only makes sense for robots, if we were to use robots to demonstrate this technology and its usefulness, so that the robots can read for us, or simply for all humans around the world, so that when they go and ask for tacos, they know exactly why they're saying tacos and not tacos.